Here we have a 70 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the £11,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. They'll include the M Sport Pro package, the technology package and also the premium package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have grey exterior paintwork, the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the glass sunroof up top, which is currently closed as it is raining, but that can get opened all the way or get put onto a tilt. Shark fin antennae. We also have the glass black rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressive. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera. The tinted tail lights with the power assisted tailgate, dual exit exhaust and the rear diffuser. Back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the leather interior, the cream leather, foldable armrest, fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts, ambient lighting on the doors, climate control just down there. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system and the electric windows. If we take a look at the front again, we have the leather interior. There's a look at the sunroof from the inside. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and they're also both heated as well. If we just take a seat inside as it's raining, you find we have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated with that button just down there. We have the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the digital dashboard, the heads-up display, and the main infotainment screen just here. Currently showing the sat-nav, but we also have plenty of other features on here. The shortcuts just down here. You find we have the Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto. We have the wireless phone charging just inside of there with the cup holders, automatic gearbox and the different drive modes. We have the electric handbrake, nice leather armrest just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.